Welcome to my little workshop of horrors. Welcome to my little workshop. Welcome to my little wood shop of horrors. Boy, this place is a mess. I'm gonna clean it, I promise. I cut these from 2x4s. I made these, saved a little money, but the important thing is it's an hour and 45 minutes round trip for me to where I can get that. So I made it. I also made this out of a 2x4. It's going to cover the bottom edge of the beadboard. You know, simple. Notch out a 3/4 inch groove right in the center. All that we're going to show you in today's video. 4 cuts, and we can make this. I got this set back 1 inch because I want 1 inch legs on the molding. Now, I want a 1/4 inch here. I'm going to come back to give me, so 21/32 on the inside here. Make sure you keep this edge. So we're going to cut like this. We're going to go down with the blade to where it cuts 3/4 of an inch out. And that's it. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to come back at 1/4 of an inch from each side and cut a rabbet out in it. But first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out this section here. When I cut into this, I'm going to set the depth of this 1 inch. I want to come over from my fence to cut and leave this 1/4 of an inch. So to do that, I need 1.25 inches to the outside edge of my blade. Now I want to set my depth to 1 inch. Going over 3/4 of an inch, splitting my blade dead center. So I'm going to go up 1.75 inches here. So I cut it in 2 passes. I've cut that one. I've flipped my board, and I want to keep the same side of the 2x4 against my fence. So now I'm going to cut the other half. So that gives me 7/16 from here to the edge of this. So I'm going to flip this over and cut this rabbet out. Nice little U-channel cut. Works perfect. 3/4 inch plywood. Clean up that edge. Add support if you wanted to.